How to use auto accident insurance claim properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Filing an auto accident insurance claim seems simple, but most beginners make mistakes that can cost money and delay repairs. You won't believe how common errors impact claims. The first mistake is failing to report the accident promptly. Most insurers require notification within a specific time frame. Delays can result in denied claims. Another common error is not documenting the accident thoroughly. Take photos, record witness statements, and note all damages. Poor documentation can weaken your case and reduce settlement amounts. Many users underestimate the importance of reading the policy. Coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions vary widely. Understanding your policy prevents surprises during the claims process. A surprising mistake is speaking carelessly to adjusters. Statements can be misinterpreted and used to minimize payouts. Stick to facts and avoid speculation. Finally, beginners often forget follow-ups. Claims require ongoing communication with insurers, repair shops, and sometimes lawyers. Staying proactive ensures faster resolution and proper compensation. To properly handle an auto accident insurance claim, report promptly, document thoroughly, understand your policy, communicate carefully, and follow up consistently. Avoiding these mistakes saves money, reduces stress, and speeds up the claims process.